Come with me to tie the easy Snell knot. The easy Snell knot starts like this. We're going to come through our eyelet from the top, just like this, okay? Now that we've come through our eyelet, what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of leave here, and then we're going to make a bite. So all that looks like is this. I'm going to make a little turn here. I'm just going to hold it with my thumb, all right? And now I have that line facing upwards. And if I show you what it looks like, there's a little loop. Okay, I'm going to hold that with my thumb against the hook, and my line's pointed upwards. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to wrap it around the hook about 5 times along the barrel here, just along this skinny part. We're not going to come above the eye. So what that looks like is I'm going to come down, all right? I'm going to come around. There's 1. I'm going to go 2, 3, and so forth. What we're going to do now when we've finished wrapping around 5 times while still holding that, because we want to make sure it doesn't creep up the barrel, I'm going to temporarily hold this knot in place. To show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that lead end, I'm going to put it through that first loop there that we made in the beginning. So I'm going to take this end and I'm going to go through this loop here. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to go through that loop just like that. Okay, I'm going to take that and I'm going to give it a pull. Okay. Now I can pull from both ends, from that left end here and from the right here from the top. And what that's going to do, it's going to start to snug up against my hook. And if you look closely here, it actually wrapped around just under the eyelet. And that is called the easy Snell knot. All you're left to do is just to clip this tag end here.